So before I start this video, I just want to say that I recorded a bad driver video, and in the video I said, they said that my mom's friend's not gonna make it, but I'm recording this on Friday. That happened, I recorded that video on, I think, Tuesday. But 2 days ago, my mom's friend passed. He was having some leg surgery, while he was unconscious. They had to put he was on life support. They had to put in the tube in his throat, and then when they removed the tube, they had to cut a hole in his throat. But then he was having surgery, and he passed away. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, my mom's friend was in a motorcycle accident. A girl was going to take a left turn, and she just didn't see him, and he hit, her car head on. Also, there was no Wheelie Wednesday video last week because, one, it was raining. Two, my mom's friend had just passed, and I didn't want to add insult to injury and be like, hey, watch me do some reckless shit, but oh wait, my mom's friend just passed away, in a motorcycle accident. So it's been a couple days, so maybe I'll post this on Wednesday, maybe I'll post this on, Saturday, I'm not sure. But back to the wheelies. That one didn't feel right.